In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change country in Nintendo Switch 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The region or the country of your Nintendo Switch console will be determined in the system settings. So when you first set up the console, you will get the option to choose your region or country, and after that is done, you can change it later on when you go into the system settings. So in order to change this, choose the settings from the home screen. Keep in mind that I am showing you screenshots of the original Nintendo Switch because sadly I wasn't able to find Nintendo Switch 2 screenshots and I preferred not to record the screen of the Switch, so just be aware. But the process is going to be exactly the same. When you head over into the system settings, choose the system category if this isn't already selected by default, and then under language you will be able to find region, so all that you have to do is choose it here. You will see all of the major main regions supported by the console, which should include the Americas, Europe, Australia or New Zealand, and then Japan. And you might be able to find others in the future. So all that you have to do is choose the specific region that you would like to set your Nintendo Switch to. Now, you can also change the region or the country of residence through your Nintendo Switch account. So if you go to nintendo.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone, you can also change your account's region. This will have impact on places like the eShop. So for example, if you were to visit the Nintendo Switch website, you go into your account settings and you change your account region here, then this would make it so when you open the eShop, you would see the new region that you selected. So you can purchase games in that currency and so on. But if all you want to do is simply change the region of the Switch, this option is much easier and it is going to be built into the system settings. So go to system settings, region, and change it from here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.